Hello, and welcome to another Prism Did You Know video. Today we'll be talking about the inventory reporting functionality within Prism. To begin, we'll start in the Plan tab. Clicking on the Configurations dropdown and choosing the configuration we desire, we can find the inventory report by clicking on this button here. Once pressed, it'll open up this inventory report window. From here, to see our data, we choose a template if we have one. We choose a job we want to see the data for. We choose a stand within that job. For now, we'll choose all three. And then a level of data we want to see. So we'll start at the tree level. Clicking Run Report will then generate our inventory report. Clicking on this Overview dropdown, it can give us an overview of the data within, such as total area, dominant species, and number of plots with data. Below, we can see all the data gathered within the Prism mobile app for the job and stands we have selected. We can start to manipulate the data we see by using a variety of tools. To begin, we can uncheck or check stands and select a new level, such as plot. Clicking Run Report will then show us all the data at the plot level from those two stands. If we select the other one and run it again, we can see that there are more stands added. We can then navigate to the three dots here. There are a variety of useful tools here, but we'll start with the roll-ups. Here, we can see there already exists one since we're viewing the data at the plot level. But if we remove this and add a new roll-up of what type we want, we can see a per species breakdown of the data we've gathered. Clicking Species and then choosing Unique Values from the drop-down and hitting Apply will now roll up our data on a per log level. We can find those within our data set. You can see here all of our segment heights were unchecked. So if we check the first four, and we check the product types for the first four as well, and click Apply, this information gets added to our inventory report. You can also rearrange and sort data by clicking or dragging respectively. Once all of this is done, we can then save this report format as a template and give it an informational title, such as by species rollup. Then clicking Save a Copy will create a new copy within our dropdown here. Once this has all been done, we can then export our data. There are two main ways to do so. Clicking Export to CSV will export a CSV copy of whatever we see here, including roll-ups, stands, plot level versus tree level, and all the fields above. Clicking the button Export to CSV will give us this warning. We can click Export, and it'll start our download, as you can see. If we have complex equations, clicking the Update Inventory Feature Service button will update our dataset with the equations ran in Prism. This can be useful for exporting complex volume and taper equations into inventory management systems such as Stratus, other programs such as ArcGIS Pro, or anything that consumes an ArcGIS Online feature layer such as ArcGIS dashboards. With that, you should be good to view your inventory data within Prism with ease and technical prowess. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, visit www.limgeomatics.com.